Word of the little girl's tragic death spread quickly, and disbelief soon turned to mourning in Tewantin.
Big tragedy. I mean, I'd hate to know how I'd feel if my daughter ended up in the same position.
At the 4-year-old's childcare centre, distraught staff broke the news to the little girl's friends.
Noosa is a strong and resilient community, and we'll do what we can to support the family through this. As a parent, you just don't know how you would deal with this such unfortunate situation.
It was Sunday night. Ambulance crews rushed the little girl to Noosa Hospital. Severe abdominal pains were soon recognised as a deadly lithium battery. It would be up to surgeons in Brisbane to save her. She was airlifted, but too much damage was done.
The battery, if it becomes lodged in one position, sets up an electrical current within the body, and it generates alkali or hydroxide ions, and it basically eats through wherever it sits.
So as the Tewantin community comes to terms with this terrible tragedy, the coroner will now investigate the death and hopefully make recommendations to ensure this never happens again. In the meantime, it's a problem that only parents can prevent. Discarded batteries are everywhere.
There's probably hundreds of thousands of these batteries already out there. I think birthday cards and Christmas cards, to me, are a huge worry.
Just a moment in time that's taken a daughter from her family, but hopefully a lesson all the community can learn from. Jessie Grayson, 10 News.